me and you. Ooh. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm Carmen Belcher and today I'm doing an unboxing of a wig that I bought, which is why I have on my sleep bonnet, because I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair so that I can install this wig in time for work this week. Work is back. Took a COVID test on Friday and it came back negative, so now I can get back to filming, and so I'm super excited about that. I like to wear wigs to protect my hair because you're working with different hairstylists that you don't know and they don't know you, and you know, you just want to protect your hair. Even though I cut it short during this break, I still want my hair to be healthy. So I am reviewing this human hair wig. It's by Noble Hair. And I purchased this on September the 21st and it was delivered on the 25th, so that was a good turnaround. I bought it on Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so it got here pretty fast. And the retail price for this 18-inch, it's a full lace wig, is $208. That's a good price because, you know, ordinarily just wigs that are like 13 by 6 as far as the lace can be around that price range for this length, but not only for this length, for this color. This is a ombre blonde light brown wig. This is how it comes. So you take it out the box and then you get this plastic bag that's protecting it. It comes like this with this hair net. So this is 18 inches, a full lace wig, and you see it has the adjustable strap in the back and the combs. Also, if you keep the strap on, it's noticeable, so I'm going to remove that later. It says that the cap size is a medium, size 22.5 inches. It's pre-plucked and bleached knots. So as far as the bleached knots go, I don't feel like it's been bleached much. You can still see the knots. So I will be going over it with my own bleaching process afterwards, and then I also have a spray to tint it. You can see that strap, and so we have to get rid of that strap. I mean, they put it right on the hairline. I don't understand why a wig company would put the strap on the back of a full lace wig so low on the hairline. So here you see me removing the strap that I told you about, and I decided to remove all of the clips because they're unnecessary. And here you can see a better glimpse of the hairline that was pre-plucked. However, I am going through it and plucking some more. Now, I thought that I had a video of the bleaching process. However, I guess I didn't record that. So I will make another tutorial with another wig to show you my secrets on how I bleach. And then here with the plucking, because I've gone through so many wigs, I have now, well, one, I only pluck after I bleach. That way I can only pluck the hairs that are that the bleach didn't take to. So that's my new secret that will keep you from over plucking. It's just to get rid of the black knots that you see. And although here it looks like I plucked a lot, honestly, when you look at it on your head, it's not nearly as much as it appears to be. So don't be afraid of the plucking, but don't over pluck as well. So it's like finding the equilibrium between the two. You'll also see me taking like a zigzag approach to the plucking as a way to not have like such lines in the hair, so that the plucking is a little random. Here's a better view where you can see some of the black knots that were left behind after the bleaching process. Here you'll see it looks like there's a hole in the front, and that happens when you take your tweezers too close to the lace. And so I've repaired that with clear thread, and it's unnoticeable now. However, you want to be careful to not tweeze so close, as you see that I'm doing, so close to the lace, because you're going to end up grabbing the lace instead of the hair. So take it back a little further and just pull the hair, because by pulling just the hair, you're not going to get a hole. But if you get too close to the knot and you attempt to pull the knot, you're going to pull the lace and cause holes. But in case you make the same mistakes that I have, you can follow my Amazon storefront down below under Amazon/shop/Carmen Belcher, where you will find this wig, the bleaching products that I used, the clear thread should you need it, and much more. So everything that you need, everything that you see here will be listed down in the description box below. So I hope you all liked this unboxing. I wanted to give you an up close and personal of how the wig looked. Here it is after I installed it, and I love it. It looks like Ciara, and so I named it Ciara's Prayer. I'm so goofy. I couldn't help myself. I love this wig. It looks so good. The way that they dyed it, it just looks like Hollywood red carpet hair. And I mean, there's so much that I can do with this wig. You see it here, I wore it up. I've never had a full lace wig before, so I can't believe how much this looks like it's mine. Tell me what you think. Please like, please share, and please subscribe, and I will be back with another video soon of the install of this wig.